Just short of straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, is you cool?
Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Today I am revealing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway winners. Yay! Oh yay! Okay, so I have two boxes because there's two winners. So what you guys need to do is reach out to me on Instagram at baddiesinthebag. That way you can send me your address information and I can ship your boxes to you. Now I will try to send these off this week. I'll try my best to get them out this week. I think I can. So I will send them off this week. You will know when I send them off because you will get tracking information. So just reach out to me on Instagram at baddiesinthebag. I'm so excited to reveal the winners. So what is the gift? The gift is a mystery box. Yes baby, it's mystery. So you will not know what your gift is until you get it. Unfortunately, when it gets to your house, that's when you're gonna know. I wanted it to be a surprise, so I've decided, let me just make them mystery boxes. So you guys on my channel, once the giveaway winners have received their items, then I will post on the community little thingy what was in the giveaway boxes. So yeah, it's a mystery box. I wanted to try this out. I want you guys to be surprised when you open the boxes and be like, oh my god, this is so cute. So let's get right into choosing the winner. Let me stop yashing my mouth away and choose somebody. So how are we gonna do it? We are using a spin the wheel. Oh my god, let me turn the light down, that way you guys can see a little clearer. Come on, light, turn down. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, Miss Light. Okay, there we go. So we are doing a spin the wheel. Let me give a little shout out to everyone who ordered something on my website. We have Adriana Zambrano, Akiska Felix, Alyssa Ortez, Amanda Frank, Amy Louie, Andrea Walker, Angela T. Robinson, Barbara Rigetti, Bianca Arnold, Blossom Parkinson, Candy Cooks / Michelle, Charlene Phillip, Claudine Oakley, Connie Ashley, Dina Gilbert, Denise Pickering, Doris Jamison, Elma Privel, Erica, Frederica Luke, Gina Lee, Haley Rose, Jacqueline D., Jennifer Holston, Joanna Pack, Kaher. There was a bunch of other stuff after that, but I just used the first two words. KK, Krista Brown, Lavish Ellie, Maria Chavez, Maria Santana, Michelle Jones, Morel Steele, Nicole Watson, Rachel DeBelot. I hope I pronounced that correctly, Rachel. Don't be mad with me. Rhodesha Walker, Samantha Hanlon, Sarah Pickens, Shivers, Simone Kelly, Stasia Mason, and Tammy Norris. These are all my wonderful people that supported my website. Thank you guys so much for the purchase. And now I'm about to give away 2 mystery boxes to 2 lucky winners. So let's go. I'm gonna spin. Oh, who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Claudine Oakley. Claudine Oakley is our first giveaway winner. Claudine, yay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Congratulations, Claudine. You are the first. You are winner number 1. Congrats. Now let's find winner number 2. Oh my god, who is it gonna be? Is that Tammy Norris! Tammy Norris is our winner number 2. Congratulations, Claudine and Tommy. You guys are awesome. Yay. Reach out to me on Instagram so I can get your shipping information. That way I can send you guys your mystery boxes. But Tammy Norris and Claudine Oakley are 1000 giveaway winners. You guys just look out for the next giveaway. It's gonna be when I get to 2K subscribers. I'll do another giveaway at that point. And I also wanted to say, you guys should follow me on TikTok. I said I was gonna come over here and let you guys know that. So my TikTok is almost at 1,000 followers. That means that I am going to get a little bit more privileges, such as going live. So I'm thinking about going live over there some nights. So you guys, if you are interested in that, if you guys love me very much, and you guys want to continue to follow me and stuff, you can follow my TikTok at Baddies and the Bag. Once I hit 1,000 followers, I will be going live, baby. So go ahead and follow me. Congratulations, Tammy Norris and Claudine Oakley. Please reach out to me on Instagram to claim your prizes. Thank you guys for joining my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for supporting my website. Thank you guys so much for everything. You guys are awesome. You guys are great. And I love every single one of you. I will see you guys in the next video.